Hey, welcome. Have you ever thought about creating your own personal pension plan? Something that could guarantee you an income for, well, the rest of your life? Today, we're going to dive into a financial tool that's designed to do just that, the lifetime annuity. Let's break down how it works and, more importantly, figure out if it's the right key for your financial future. For almost everyone planning for the future, this is it. This is the big one. It's the core anxiety of retirement, what the experts call longevity risk. It's that nagging fear, what if I outlive my savings? It's a very real concern, and it's exactly the problem we're tackling today. Right, so how do you solve a riddle like that? Well, the financial world actually created a very specific answer, and it's basically an insurance product. So let's get right into what a lifetime annuity actually is. At its heart, it's a really simple promise. It's a contract you make with an insurance company, and in return, they promise to pay you a steady income for the rest of your life. And that's the magic phrase, for as long as you live. Doesn't matter if you live to 85, 95, or even 105, that check keeps coming. So how does it actually work? Well, it's surprisingly straightforward. Step 1, you give the insurance company a lump sum of money, which is called the premium. Step 2, they start sending you guaranteed payments. And step 3, you get to decide when those payments start. You can have them kick in right away. That's called an immediate annuity, or you can set them to start sometime down the road. So the big question is, how much do you get? Well, the insurance company looks at a few key things. First, the size of the premium you pay in. Obviously, the more you put in, the bigger your income. Your age is also a huge factor. The older you are when you start, the higher your payments will be, just because, statistically, your life expectancy is shorter. And finally, they use all that actuarial data on life expectancy, which is why things like your gender can play a role, because on average, women tend to live a little bit longer. Okay, a guaranteed paycheck for life. I mean, that sounds fantastic, right? But is it the right move for everyone? Probably not. And the answer really comes down to a fundamental trade-off that you absolutely have to understand before making any decisions. So here's the bottom line. It's all about your priorities. If your number one, top of the list, can't sleep at night goal is to have a secure income that you can never outlive, then an annuity could be a perfect fit. But, and this is a big but, if leaving money behind for your family is a major goal, or if you want the flexibility to access that big chunk of cash for emergencies or other opportunities, then you might want to pump the brakes. You're basically trading access to your capital for total, complete income security. But what if you're listening to this and thinking, I kind of want both, What if you want that steady income, but you're just not comfortable giving up control and the ability to leave that money to your loved ones? Is there another way? Well, yes, there is. It's something called a GLWB, which stands for Guaranteed Lifetime Withdrawal Benefit. Think of it as more of a hybrid solution. Instead of handing over your lump sum for good, a GLWB is a feature, a rider, you can add to certain investment accounts. It guarantees you can pull out a certain percentage every single year for life, no matter what the market does. So you get the income, but you still own the underlying investment. That gives you flexibility and the potential to leave a legacy. It's a different tool for a different set of goals. At the end of the day, though, let's circle back to what that classic lifetime annuity is all about. This quote really says it all. It has one singular job: to protect you from outliving your savings. That's it. It is pure, simple protection against running out of money. So, as we wrap this up, it really all boils down to this one powerful question you have to ask yourself. For your retirement, what do you value more? Is it the absolute rock-solid security of a paycheck that will never, ever stop? Or is it the freedom and control that comes with financial flexibility? Your answer to that question will tell you almost everything you need to know about whether a lifetime annuity should be part of your plan.